Well, Welsh icon Tom Jones has announced a new live tour, commemorating both his 80th birthday and 55 years since the release of his first single, It's Not Unusual. What happens to be very unusual is the tour, as it goes through London, Belfast, Norwich, and even includes a performance at a German music festival. However, it doesn't include any Welsh dates at all. This has led to speculation that Sir Tom is saving something very special for his 80th birthday. What do you think, Cardiff? Will Tom Jones ever again perform on the green, green grass of home?
Well, I'd have thought so, yeah. Bearing in mind that's where he sort of made his name.
Yeah.
So I think
Tom
it's
Jones fan, Roger?
up to a point, yeah. I wouldn't necessarily go out and buy his records, but you know, he's made some good stuff over the years.
He's Welsh,
Yeah.
so he should be here, shouldn't
Do
he?
you think he's got maybe a surprise up his sleeve and it could be a kind of surprise reveal that he will be heading down to Wales?
I don't know, really. He's going to be pretty busy anyway. But at his age, I'm amazed he's got such a great voice.
It's strange, because I thought he was, you know, sort of dyed in the wool Welsh and very proud of it, so I'm a bit surprised he isn't coming.
Bit sly really that he hasn't come to Wales. He should come on the first stop.
So the first stop should be here in Wales, mate, you reckon, yeah?
Definitely.
Some people reckon he's going to go to Pontypool for his big birthday bash. Would you pop down to see him if he goes there?
Yeah, therefore, I definitely probably get an invite first because, you know, I'm from Earth, so